Sound pronunciation, help info. Born the 28th of September 1929, is an Indian playback singer, and occasional music composer. She is one of the best-known and most respected playback singers in India. Mangeshkar's career started in 1942 and has spanned over 7 decades. She has recorded songs for over 1,000 Hindi films and has sung songs in over 36 regional Indian languages and foreign languages, though primarily in Marathi and Hindi. She is the elder sister of singers Asha Bhosle, Hridaynath Mangeshkar, Usha Mangeshkar and Meena Mangeshkar. She is the second vocalist, after M.S. Subbulakshmi, to have ever been awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honour. Thanks for watching.